Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as lane keep assist, tow hooks, as well as Google Play, Amazon Alexa, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom. You're going to have the speakers come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as that wood and chrome accent there. And moving on to the interior, you're going to have these heated cloth bucket seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Left side, you'll have your vents, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and your trailering mode as well. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and the heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer clutch control with 2 matte black paddle shifters right behind. Now for the odometer, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your economy, trip summary, tire pressure. Of course, you're going to have adaptive cruise, pretty much all your gauges you need, as well as your music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start over here. It's a little different spot, and onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Google Play, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance. You're also going to have your trailer lights with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa as well. With lane keep assist, auto stop, as well as your hill descent control. And of course, you're going to have the dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side. And in the center, lots of extra storage, as well as that new shifter. And here in the center console with a wireless charging pad, 2 USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger side's manually adjustable. It's going to be heated as well. You're going to have wood and chrome go across the door and across the dash. Speakers and vents up top. You're going to have some storage behind the infotainment system. And up here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and your SOS. You're going to have blacked out 20-inch aluminum wheels on Bridgestone Dueler Ultimate tires. Sets of wood package with the Duramax badging, black mirror caps, and black keyless entry door handle. Trail Boss badging as well. With the black corner step bumper, the dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. With the easy lift gate, you're going to have 2 LED lamps on each side with an AC wall charger and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you're going to have paneling and storage at the bottom again, right next to the speakers. And that's coming up into the power windows with the wood and chrome accent again. Pop in the back, you're going to have pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, ventilation, and USB ports. Unfortunately, no cup holder or armrest. You're going to have foldable seats though, flaps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as trailering app, tow hooks, as well as Google Store and Amazon Alexa. 20-inch aluminum wheels, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.